Guys, it's been a while and we've been busy for the past couple of weeks, mainly because of three things. First, we had the house improvements. We had our garage cemented. Before it was a garden, we had grass growing and it was getting out of hand, it was getting chaotic. So we decided to have it cemented. That way we also have more space to work at the front of the house rather than staying here at the back. We could move around big and larger pieces of wood, which we could do in the front of the house. Custom orders. We've been busy the past couple of weeks doing custom orders of signages and word cutouts. We've already posted these on Instagram, the light bulb signage. Everybody's trying to get free. Everybody's trying together is our favorite play signage. Everybody's trying to get free. 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 Weakness, strength signage. Word cutouts that we haven't posted it yet. So that pretty much occupied the previous weeks, and it's always great to be busy here in the shop because busy is a blessing. Third, I shaved my bigote. Third, we were invited by Craft Manila to do an intimate talk for Pioneer Adhesives booth at the Interior Design Manila that happened just a week ago. A great opportunity to take a break from the shop and go out and connect with other people who's interested in woodworking and wants to start their woodworking journey and who appreciates our craft and interested in learning how we do our work. Manila and Pioneer Adhesives for having us. Everybody's trying to get free. Everybody's trying to get free. Alongside with the Interior Design Manila event is the Philippines International Furniture Show that happened on the same date, same place. So we went around, and it's just a great place to be in. If you're an artist, a designer, a maker, or a creator, this is the type of event that you should go to learn about new designs, new innovations, and to be inspired on what you want to create. Guys, for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are just down below. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog.